What up? It's Sid. I thought I'd do a bike check on my bikes, even though the weather is terrible and it's windy. We'll start out with my Sunday, Vinnie. I'm not sure the frame year. I think it's a 2010 model. Not entirely sure. The stickers are good, mostly. Frame's in good shape, no dents, barely any scratches, to be honest. Wave, down tube, wave on the gusset, 3D dropouts, wishbone, mid bottom bracket, very thick chain stays and seat stays. So to start it, we have an Odyssey brake lever and some ODI grips. Shadow Conspiracy Voltus bars, some of the best bars I've ever had. Super light, heat treated, butted. They're 9.5 tall. They're awesome. S&M XLT redneck stem, front load with the old style front cap to what looks like Sunday morning forks, but I'm not sure the exact year. I can't seem to find this fork with this sticker and this color, so I don't know. If you do, feel free to tell me. Premium sealed front wheel, really nice wheel, very similar to the Deviant rim, spins amazingly. Aaron Ross Odyssey tire, and then we go to Odyssey one-bolt crank. It's pretty good, pretty dependable. It's been on the bike for years. Odyssey sprocket, 28 tooth, Colt half-link chain, cheap brakes. I think they're Ombres. Two Odyssey V3 hub laced to quadrant rim on a fit tire with Black Ops tall ass seat post. I'm old, I ride my seats high, eat me. McNeil pivotal seat. McNeil makes amazing seats. I like to ride them. Also this really awesome Primo head cap. I don't know if you can see it or not. There we go. Yeah. And so that is my Sunday. Next we're moving on to my personal bike. I believe this is also a 2010 Howler FBM. Can almost find no information and no other videos or pictures of this exact frame, so I must be the only asshole with it in the world. The stickers are in pretty good shape considering. It's got a werewolf on it. That's why it's called a Howler. And so, to start it off, we have fly grips, Odyssey brake lever, Odyssey double space bars. We have a really nice, not sure the brand, come on, make your own gyro cable. I'm not sure what those things are called. To a gold S&M Enduro stem. Really nice, great shape, really light. Snafu gyro S&M XLT forks in red. The red, green, and some gold is trying to do the Rasta colors, but it's not exactly working out. Trable stock fly front wheel. Odyssey Chase Hawk tires, 2.4 in the front, 2.2 in the back. We got really cool Sabrosa crank and a Fang sprocket, 28 tooth on an Odyssey Bluebird chain with Odyssey brakes. Old school S&M, FBM seat clamp. Another tall ass seat post. Really comfy Shadow Conspiracy seat. profile mini hub, the tie driver, and I don't know what hub, what rim that is. It's old and used. And that's my personal bike. This one, as it sits, weighs 25 and a half-ish, and this one weighs in at 26 and a quarter. The green bike, the Howler, has a 74-degree head tube with a 20.75 top tube, and the Sunday has a 20.5 top tube with a 75 head tube angle. They're both pretty awesome bikes, and so that's my 2 BMX. Thank you.